PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Okay, what about the lob? Oh. Whip it behind and whip it for a while. The last lob lost control. Keep it simple and relaxed. It's coming soon. Okay, long chop and short flip. What is this? Long chop, lean a bit. You think it's topspin, right? If you do it like this, I can counter chop spin. A little. You serve, I'll search for the ball outside. Is it long? How are you chopping so low now? You search for the ball behind. Even search inside a chop bit. Like this. Originally, it was heavy side spin. Aren't you lifting off? Aren't you searching for the ball outside, not inside? Give it a try. Right, nice shot. You chopped to short. Okay, flip it short. I can flip it to his wide forehand corner. Even if he comes to the net, it's okay. Right, let's go again. This position is safer. Chop fully along with the top spin. He's putting side spin. It's easy for you to return it smoothly. Return it smoothly and then flip it short. Because it's side spin, that's why I counter spin. Find the ball outside, even if he comes to the net. Is it a wide forehand corner shot? Even if he comes to the net, it's still awkward. Right, give it a try. Right, very good. Can't control the curve. Right. When the ball is in play, focus on this shot. Your focus on the ball was a bit delayed. Why does the ball leave my racket and end up on your side of the table? It happens in an instant. If you don't focus on my shot, you won't be able to capture important information. By the time the ball reaches you in a split second, it may have already passed you. It's already far from you. If you try to find the ball now, it will surely be too late. So focusing on the ball is crucial. What should you focus on when watching the ball? You should follow the opponent's shot path when watching the ball. Instead of just watching the ball, start by watching my shot. It will reveal accurate information to you. All accurate information is revealed through the shot. The fake shot is deceptive. It can deceive your opponent. If I were truly to deceive you in that way, you wouldn't fall for it. The lack of deception is because before I push, I don't raise my hand first. I move forward like this first. I push the ball. That's when the deception occurs. If I were to lob like this, you would find it too easy. Even if I lob quickly, you wouldn't be flustered. You won't be flustered. It feels awkward here. I added a touch of brightness. Just relax naturally. Wow, are you stepping onto the stage? Don't behave recklessly, okay? Let's make it skillful. Where is the placement returning to? Okay, got it. Naturally, that's fine. Can you feel the power has been released? Yes, release it. You need to be in control. You've released it, but it's uncontrollable. Each bullet like should eliminate an opponent. This is like a pistol. It's almost like you are using a sniper rifle. Do you think you are spraying like a machine gun? It's like you're holding a sniper rifle. Each bullet should take out an enemy, right? Alright. If you deviate from accuracy, it's like playing dirty. Isn't that playing dirty? Feeling overly confident in your skills. Then, deliver a beautiful shot. You get 3 points. Isn't he just getting 1 point? Then, deliver a beautiful shot and miss 3 points. You only get 1 point. If you can't get 3 points, understand this point clearly. I'm not saying don't, but don't forget about accuracy. Each point is precious. Rotate using bring it back with the rotation. Are you exerting force from the outside to the inside in your overall movement? From the outside to the inside. Let me move from the center to the outside. And then from the outside to the inside, but only your hand is. Pushing from back to front. That contradicts all other areas. It's all inconsistent. What about our hand? It should also exert force by rotating from the outside to the inside. Instead of your entire body moving from the outside to the inside, but just the hand. Raised like this. Your hand should also move from the outside to the inside. Understand? Give it a try. Your hand should also move from the outside, right? Don't raise it. The thumb presses against the index finger to maintain the overall balance. Don't lift your hand. Very good. Moving from the outside. Your hand should also move from the outside to the inside. Good job looping with your forehand. Haha, nice forehand loop. Stop hesitating. Why are you still falling backwards after looping? When someone blocks your backhand, you won't be able to recover. It feels a bit awkward, doesn't it? Loop with your forehand. Does it still feel awkward now? It's alright to loop with your forehand. Let's see if you can keep up like this without affecting your consistency. If it affects you, please listen to my advice. If it affects you, do it your own way then. Has it affected you? Are your hands relaxed? Does it affect your performance? Is your backhand transition fast or slow? Have you changed faster or slower? Yes. Are you feeling less awkward now? Can you link it smoothly? Your forehand shouldn't pose problems for your transition, right? Don't revert back to your old ways just because you can't retreat anymore, can you? Yes. Even a fierce Zhang Jike can embroider. Otherwise, you'll just be a second-rate muscular man in the martial arts world. Being taken out in the second episode. What's the use of your blade? Whose blade is not good? Blaming your poor accuracy for your bad shots. Very good. Even a fierce Zhang Jike can embroider. Otherwise, you'll just be a second-rate muscular man in the martial arts world. Being taken out in the second episode. Right, I must be able to. The big swings must be quality. At the same time, I also
read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.